Okay, good evening and welcome to the class of today, being the second day. I hope all of you are fine, and I hope everybody was able to download and install Canva on his or her laptop or mobile phone. Today we are going to create or design the poster that I just pasted in the group. So let's delve right into it. So we'll go to Canva, click on Canva. So this Canva, double click on Canva to launch Canva, and make sure your data is on, because sometimes Canva uses some small data to do some other things. So Canva is logging me in. So when you open Canva, this is how it appears. It appears like this. It appears like this. So this is the home page of Canva, and I said we are going to learn how to create this particular poster. This is a poster. This one is a flyer. So we want to create this one. Type is needed. So it is a poster, therefore I should scroll and look for poster. So come here to this end, scroll here. These are templates. These are templates. So you don't want to scroll this way and locate poster. When you come here, you see poster here. This poster portrait. Poster portrait. Or I'll come and then click on, let me click here, see what happens. Okay. So I'll click on create a design. There's another button here called create a design. If I click on create a design, it will display the various tools here for me. So I have whiteboard, I have Facebook post, I have flyer, portrait, I have A4 document, logo, I have your story, then I have poster. So we want to create poster. So we click on poster and wait. So when you click on poster, then it will load the design or the work surface, the working interface for you. So this is a blank surface for you to create your poster, a blank surface. So we are going to make use of this blank surface. Then if you come to this area, these are different templates that you can decide to select from them, to create your poster. So you can decide to select one of these templates here to create your poster, but we are not going to use template. We want to create the poster from scratch, from a plain. We want to add our own designs, so we don't want to use this one. So this is the background of the poster. It is white. So looking at what I posted on the page, the background is it blue or blue? So we're going to change this background to blue. So click on the background and it will show you color here. So this background color, click on background color. So you have the colors here. So I think this is what we use to create that. So click on this one, and that is the color over there. It's looking different. If you are not getting it, come to add color plus here, click, and then you look for it. You look for it. I think let me still come. So this is our color. So we have this. So you can click outside to go back. So now we have type P stop here. So you can come here and then increase or zoom it in, so you can be seeing it bold or bigger. Then we have the text heading there is type piece needed. Type piece needed. So we come to this area, we have text here, add text. Or if you like, you can also decide to add the designs or the various elements before you can begin to add the text. But let's add text first. So click on text T. So we have different format of text here, and if you look at the format of the if you look at the format of the type piece needed, it is this one. So click on this particular format. It will display on your background, so you can't reduce it from these handles. So click on it and hold and move it top. Move it top here. So you can place this here. Now the text we want to put here is not Planet Arcadia. The text we want to put there is type piece needed. Type piece needed. So you can now begin to type with caps, capital letters. But before you type, let's first select it. Select everything like this. Click, hold, and select the entire thing before you start typing, so they can erase. So I'm starting my typing. I'll say type piece needed. Type piece needed. Type piece needed. So now, looking at this color, the color of this text, and the one I have on the poster, this one is black, but that one is light blue, or let's say indigo. So we have to change the color here, and we also realize that the line spacing is very poor. The line spacing is very poor. So let's select the click on this edge. So when you click on this edge, it means that you have selected the whole text. Then come to this place. You can reduce the size of the text. So text size or font size. So let's click here to reduce the size more. Okay. Then now come to color. This is color here, font color. So click on it and come here. We are using this particular one. We are using that particular one. Okay, it's like this. Then let's go and change the font type. So come here and change the font type. I think the font type here should be let me see which one is that. So this is the font type. This is the font type. This is the font type. So this is how our text look like on the banner. Sorry, the poster. So this is it. So we are done with that particular text. We are done with this particular text. Then let's go down. We have for urgent employment. It is also still text. This one we want to add text ourselves. So click on add a subheading. Click on add a subheading. Now you type in the information there for urgent. So I type for urgent employment, but it's supposed not to be capital. Everything's supposed not to be capital. So for urgent employment, so I have for urgent employment there. So this is not where the text is located, so I have to move it up. So I'll move it up to where it's supposed to be. So I'll move it up to this place. So click, hold, and move it up. Then you can change the color and the font. So let's come to let's reduce the size more, reduce the size. Okay, then you can change the type from here. So let's pick this Abro fat face. Wow, Abro fat face. Or let me see which one is sweet. You can see it maintain this one. Yeah, that's it. Then come to color. Come to color. Click on color, and the color there is white. So click on white. White. This is white. Click on white. So you change the color over there. I think that is all about that one. Now we have the next item. There is a contact number. So contact number, we see that there is a bar on which the contact is written. So let's go and insert an element. So let's come to elements here. Click on element. We want to use a rectangle. We are using rectangle here. Click on rectangle. Then when you come, you can fold it up this way and then stretch it, from both ends. Stretch it from both ends. Stretch. So it is like this. So I will bring it up here. It is around this area. Okay, so here it is. Now I'm going to add text. So contact. So to add the text, come to text. Come and click on text. T. Then you select add heading. So select that one. We'll reduce the size. So select that one and type contact. Contact. Contact in capitals. So I'll type contact in capitals, and I have column. So here it is. So I can reduce it from here, from the font side here. So reduce the font size. Keep reducing it so that it can fit well inside the bar. So this way is enough. So come and hold it here and move it onto this bar. But we realize that it is bolded and made black. So come and select the color here and click on black. Then highlight the text contact and then come and click on B to bold it. So it is bolded. So here is contact. It is so big. So let me reduce the size more. It is so big. So highlight, reduce the size more still. Okay, I think it is okay like this. Yeah, it is okay like this. So this contact. Then come again and click on add a subheading to now add a number. So you can add your own number. So I'm adding my own number 05417411421. Then I will move it to this place. Then I can reduce the size more. Yeah. Then change the color to, this is the color. Or this one self. So you can change it to this one, or any color that is visible. So let me put it this way. Or I should use red. No, let me use this one. So use this color. Now the number is, the font size is different. So come to font size and then click on this one. Click on Abro face to have the font size. So that is it. We have the contact inputted there. We have the contact there. We have the contact there. Now let's go to the next item. The next item is the image inside there. So with this one, let's go and add elements. So come to elements, click on element, and then we are using this curve edge triangle, sorry, rectangle, curve edge rectangle. Click on it, then you stretch it, open it, and then move it to this place. Move it down like this. Move it down like this. You can still open this more. Okay. Then the color there, for the color, it is this. We see that it has the edge color. Edge has the color. So come to this place. These two lines. I mean, these lines here, border style. So click on border style. And here, border width. So click on border width and then drag in small. The color there is either it is pink or whatever. So click on this particular one, the border color here, and then come and select pink for it. So that is done with that. Now we want to duplicate it. So click outside and then click on it again. Come and click on this particular one, duplicate, to duplicate it. So I have it this way. Let me shift it up here. Now let me shift it down to this place like this. So you have it like this. Now this one, let me reduce it small and then bring it in. So I'll bring it in this way. I'll bring it in this way. Yeah, this way. Now its color is white. So come to color, not this one. Come to color. So select white. Okay, then come to the border color. The border color is black, so you maintain black. Come to the border line and then you have it this way. Okay, so we have it this way. So move it small to so the bottom border will not be seen. Okay, now we want to add the keyboard, the type in there. So that is another element. This one we can say let's increase it more so that it go up this way. So you see that it is here. So you can increase this one small and it go up this way. Okay, that is it. Now come to element again. We want to insert the keyboard with the hands on it. So on element, click on this place, search anything from Canva. So that we want to look for typepiece, or let's say typing. Type in there, typing, not typepiece. Typing, just type it in. My own is capital. Typing. We click on this is typing, so you can see them here. So you click on any of them, typing. So I think this is it. So this is it. Now you realize that let me show you something. Some of these elements here are premium elements. So if you use the premium element and you finish designing your poster, you can download it. So I thought I would see a premium element to show you. The premium element is only having a crown on it, but none of these ones is premium. So let's go back. So you scroll and look for my network assists. Let me search again. So scroll and look for this particular typing keyboard. So click on it. It will come here. So when you come here, rotate it this way. Understand? And reduce it so that you can fix in here. So reduce it and break it here. bring this side to like this. So here it is, here it is, here it is. So here it is. So now what is left is the deadline. Deadline. So deadline is also text. So come back to text. Click on text. So add text. So here I'll type deadline. Maybe that is capital then. Deadline. Deadline in caps. It is bigger than expected. So let me move it out here and let me rotate it. I'll rotate it this way. Okay, so that I can shift it now here. Let me shift it here. So let me change the color. So come to color, change the color. The color there is this one. No, this one. Then the font type is different. So come here, change the font type to see this one. Let me see. Yeah, that is it. So you can stretch from the edge, my friend. Okay, stretch from here. So to have it this way. So I have deadline. So deadline. So that is deadline. So it is underlined. So highlight it this way. Come to this place, these 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. You see underline. So click on underline to underline it. Now allow the contact number or the date rather, the date. So come to add text again. So already we are still on add text. So click on add a subheading. Then you now type the date. The date there is 2nd. So 02/10/2020. Okay, so bring it out here, rotate it this way, rotate it this way, and then bring it here. So the color there is white also. So let's go and change color. Let's change the font type first. The font type there is different. So the font type is this one. Then come to color. The color is white, so you click on white. Is there another thing? No, that is all. Then maybe bold. There's no bold. Now you see that here the deadline is bigger than the number, and on a poster the deadline is smaller than the number. So let's add okay, and reduce the size. So you can reduce the size from here, and you can also come and increase the size of the number. So increase the size of the number a bit. I think it has to do with the font type, not the size. So look for a font type. I believe this one. This one. So that is our poster. We are finished designing our poster. So let's see how we save it. Let's see how we'll save it. We want to save it. Yeah, we want to save. We want to save it. So we want to save it now. So come to file, click on file, and then this is the name, type piece needed. So you can decide to change the name to the way you like it. Maybe let me say poster. So you can decide to change the name to poster. poster like this. Then this is the size, the dimension rather. Now come to save to folder. Save to folder. Save to folder. So click on save to folder and come to your project. Be your own. It is either a new project or if it is your project. So click on your project. So here they will ask you to type the folder name, because I have already had a folder name. So you type a folder name, after which you click again and now scroll down and come to save. Save. So save it here. You click on save, your poster will be saved. So design added to my project. So it is saved. It is saved. It is saved. Now you want to download it. If you leave it like this and you go to your computer or your phone gallery or picture, you won't find it because it's not downloaded. So come to the same place, scroll down here, we have download. So you can click on download. Now this is the extension PNG. So if you don't like this extension, you can click here and see whether you can get. So we have JPG. So click on JPG and then this is the dimension, but you can't change that one because it is premium. You have to buy the premium version before you can change the dimension and the quality. So come and then click on save. Save. So it is what save download settings. So come click on save. So you click on download rather. So it will be downloaded. See it downloading. So you wait. So the name is poster. So don't change it. Click on save. Or you can only change the location where you want to save it. But it is saved on download folder. So click on save. So your poster has been saved to your download folder. So you can decide to lock it so that nobody can edit it. So click on this pilot here to lock it. So it is locked, so nobody can edit it. You can, if you don't open the lock, you can't edit it again. So you see that you can't edit anything. See that they will say lock, lock, lock. If you want to lock the whole page, so come to this place. It is even locked already. So you can't do anything on it again until you remove the lock. So that is how we design the poster. I mean on Canva, especially this particular one. So come and minimize it. Now go to, so minimize it, my friend, and then come back to your File Explorer. Click on File Explorer and locate your poster. So here it was in download. So here is download. So you are already in download. So click on download. You see your poster here. This is a poster we have designed. So here it is. So thank you and God bless you. Thank you and God bless. Those of you that are also using mobile phone, I'm going to use a phone to create the poster for you to see. So follow the tutorial and then do exactly as it is. Thank you so much. Bye bye.